Hey y'all, let's get it. It's your boy Blackrue here with another video. Catch me every Monday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the Benzinga channel, where we do Learn to Trade, or the Ruell Report for right now, because I'm going to brand that soon. Uh, um, where we do stock and crypto, mostly crypto. Today, we're going to be talking about a kind of clickbaity thing. Will Bitcoin go lower from here? Let's go take a look at that. Again, come on over to the channel and sign up. It is darkhorsewatcher.com. All you got to do is type that into your browser. Takes you directly to my channel where you can like and subscribe. And if you're interested in Patreon, what we do for you is we give weekly watch lists for $7.77 a month, which is less than $2 a month per watch list. Or I'm sorry, $2 a week per watch list. 4 weeks in a month, $7.77 per month. So that's like less than $2 a watch list. And also, I do bonus posts for my subscribers, so you're actually getting way more than that. That's something you're interested in. Check out the link in the description. But let's go look at Bitcoin right quick. So, last time I looked at Bitcoin, what I saw was there was a resistance. The lowest resistance was at about 42. Let's take a look here. All right, let's turn off some things so we can get, and that's not a smoke detector, y'all. That was one of my updates here. So let's look at this. It's trying to death cross on us again here. If we look here, so when it kind of began this first death cross right here, and death cross means like the 50 and the 200, like the 50 and the 200 EMA cross. So it's imminent for a downward move. So after we got this death cross right here, lowest it went was like right here at 250. We're pretty close to that right here. So what I'm gonna say is it's probably not gonna go much lower than 4,000 here. That's gonna be kind of like our benchmark, which means it's probably due for a bounce. I'm gonna look at some other things right here. So we're on a day chart. You guys know I love my whole Wyckoff chart. Looking at Wyckoff, it looks like it might have a bounce in it. Looking at MACD, looks like it might be. It's kind of far away from the bounce on MACD, but on Wyckoff, it looks like it's ready to bounce. And also on the RSI, when you come down to this area, you kind of reach oversold, which means it's kind of due for a bounce there. So everything, like, so one, two, so one out of so 2 out of 3 of my indicators are saying it's due for a bounce. A day chart. So some things that I like to do is I'll zoom in on this bad boy, go to the 3-hour chart. So if we're looking at the 3-hour, it looks like it's definitely on the MACD close to saying, hey, we're jumping back into the party here. Let's see if we can zoom in on this guy. Well, too much of a zoom. All right, so just, I know this is hard to see. I hate the resolution on my computer. None of that was better. Okay. So let's go into the 1-hour chart. Jesus, this is hard to see. We might just have to take that day chart and be happy with it. But let's go in here. All right, now let's do this again. This is terrible. I'm gonna try to zoom it in for you guys so that it looks good. Okay, there we go. That's what we wanted to see. Okay, so let's look again. Let's go back to the 3 hour. So here we go on the 3 hour. It looks like it's about to come back up, which is pretty good. So look on these 3 hours. So going down to the 3 hours, it looks like it's due to bounce back up. But as you can see with this white cough right here, is it going to be a little bitty where it goes back to green, only to fall back down again on that death cross type deal? Or is it going to come back up and kind of go back up? I'm thinking it's gonna bounce off of 40 and start heading back up. But it's not gonna be, I don't think it's gonna be one of those head back ups like it's like this. It's gonna head back up, go down, head back up, go down, head back up, go down. And it's gonna follow that for a while like it did. Do we have any precedent here? So we're gonna go see if we can find precedent. So there's some precedent right here in the 28 area. So when it came down to 28, it touched 28 again here. And then it started coming back up skis. So this might be our biggest drop down here. Oh. So yeah, like look at that. That's a big old drop down. So yeah, I think we're kind of out of the woods here. I think it's gonna kind of come back up here. It might come down here to 40, touch down 40 before it bounces back up. But I think, not financial advice, I think we're out of the woods given my indicators. Let me know if this is something that you guys want to see more of. Me just like looking at different indicators like RSI, like MACD, like Wyckoff, and telling you guys about the death cross and stuff like that. Let me know if that's more content that you guys want to see, because we can get down and dirty with this for sure. Check out some of my previous videos here. Subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a good one. Peace.